In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix access issue help on Telegraph news website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you're trying to access the Telegraph and it returns this message, you are told you are seeing this page because our security systems have detected some unusual activities on this connection. You're told to regain access to the Telegraph website. You have to try the following. One of the things you're supposed to try is to make sure that if you have any VPN on your computer, turned on, turn it off, or disable it to fix this. You may also just want to uninstall it to fix this problem. However, if that still fails, you have done so and nothing works, then you'll need to try and use a different browser. As you can see, I'm still getting the same error. If that's the case, then try and access it using a different browser. However, should that still not work, so I'll open a different browser. I was on Google Chrome. Now let me try on Firefox and see if that works. So I'll search for Telegraph and then search it, and now click on the website. And as you can see, that was enough to fix my problem. However, if you don't have an alternative browser, you only have one browser, then you may want to troubleshoot it further. For that, just close your browser and open it afresh, and then go to this ellipsis here. And from ellipsis, go to settings, and from settings, look for this option, private and security. Under this, look for delete browsing data, and now click on it and check the length of time. So I'll delete for the last 24 hours, and make sure you check the boxes below here. Confirm by clicking on delete, and this will delete all the browsing data. Once you're done, now close your browser and open it afresh, then search for the website. And now if you click on it, now everything should be okay. As you can see, now I'm able to access the Telegraph website on the same browser. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. However, at this point, if everything still doesn't work, then you may want to restart your computer, and now everything should be working without any issue. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.